Hi, welcome to bestbankingjobs.com. Now we are going to see about the opening available with India's leading private sector bank HDFC Bank on trade finance. It's a very rare opportunity and it's first ever opportunity on the trade finance. The usual opportunity will be on operations, on customer service or on the sales profile, but it's a first ever opening available on trade finance. I request everyone not to miss this opportunity. Yeah, we have two opportunities here. One is joining HDFC Bank as a trade finance executive. It's a wonderful opportunity to join the India's number one private sector bank, specifically on trade operations. So HDFC Bank is providing it with tie-up with Bankage. So Bankage will be doing the pre-selection process, and it will be available on the locations like Delhi, Chandigarh, Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, and Cochin. The process will be only on these locations. So if you are interested, you have to visit the center of the bankage at any of the locations mentioned here. All the selection candidates will be issued a conditional offer letter, post which they will be trained on the trade finance for 45 days. The days will differ from 30 to 45 days. So if you are interested, you have to visit the locations above on the bankage, and you should inquire about you should insist on the HDFC Bank Trade Finance opening. They will be doing the pre-screening, and once you are selected, that you will be on to 45 days training program, which is very less. It's a very less. Usually the training program will be 1 year or 6 months on the job, off the job, like that. But here it is only 45 days, which will be very less. Post completion of the training program, the candidate will start working in the wholesale banking group for trade finance. Really, it is an excellent opportunity, because you will not get an opening like trade finance departments and all. Joining directly into the departments is a wonderful opportunity. Your salary for the executives, the salary will be around 3.5 lakhs plus city allowance, because you will be posted in main cities only like Chennai, Bangalore. You will not get posted on even if you are any other locations. You will be posted only on the prime locations. So it's a 45 days training program, and your salary will be, it is also very attractive, 3.5 lakhs per annum plus city allowance. The age eligibility is minimum 21, maximum 25 years. Educational qualification, you should be in postgraduate. The graduates cannot apply for it. You should be minimum postgraduate and with 60% mark in academics. The selection process, online aptitude test and personal interview. As I already said, the aptitude test will be not as like of government IBPS exam, so it will be really easy comparatively. So it's a wonderful opportunity. I request the freshers of the MBA and other postgraduates not to miss this opportunity. Here the course fee is also very less, but it is not mentioned properly. But it is around 60,000 like that. So which will not be a cost for you. So I request not to miss this opportunity. Yeah, the another opportunity is joining HDFC Bank as a trade finance manager. Yeah, the trade finance program is collaboration between the HDFC Bank and the bank, as I already said. Here, the opportunity is only provided to chartered accountants. Others cannot apply. Even graduates or postgraduates cannot apply for it. Those who completed the chartered accountants can apply for it, and it's a 45 days program. So the chartered accountants can attend the program and directly join the trade finance department as a manager. The eligibility is the selection process will be they will be conducting the entrance test MCAT and the personal interview. The program fee for this is rupees 60,000, and it's very less comparatively, since only chartered accountants are entering this gate. The program fee is very less. The usual fee will be for other bank jobs will be 4 lakhs around, and the training will be conducted only at the Bank Edge Training Center, Mumbai. So if you are interested, if you are selected in the entrance exam and personal interview, and if you are ready to pray, you will be conducting the interview for the 45 days on Mumbai Bankage Training Center. The attractive thing is your salary. You will be paid of 7 lakhs per annum. It is ever highest ever on the joining time. So it's a wonderful opportunity for the chartered accountants as well to get into the right department. Joining the trade finance is an dream of many guys. I know many of them who missed and working on the various departments of banking. So it's a wonderful opportunity to start your career on HDFC Trade Finance. The interested candidates can click this link and register yourself for the HDFC Trade Finance program. I will provide this link on the description. Yeah, please share this video to your friends and relatives who are in need of job, and please visit our website bestbankingjobs.com. We are providing various services, and if you need any guidance, please send your resume and your recommend to resume@bestbankingjobs.com, or else you can call to 99528 32163. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel to get the regular job updates and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching.